In this video I'll show you how to cook the perfect beef liver. Everything you'll need will be a fresh beef liver obviously, and a bit of butter or beef tallow. Really, the butter is the much better option here. And also a very sharp knife. Make sure your knife is sharp, as the trick to a perfect beef liver is slicing it very thinly and cooking it for fairly short amount of time. So this is the size you want it to cut it up to. You see, extremely thin, maybe around 3 millimeters or around that. It has to be very thin. You see, it's extremely thin. If you cut it like this is way too thick, and you'll need to cook this for fairly long time, and as you cook it, it will become very chewy and won't be good at all. We can give this to our assistant here. That's not good at all. Make sure it's very thinly cut like this. Next, make sure your pan is fairly hot. It doesn't have to be scalding hot, and use some butter. Not much, but around that. When melted, we can start piling up the liver. Okay, piled up liver here, and let's cook it for around 2 minutes. I have started the timer here to see how long it takes. The first time, before you turn it, it takes around 2 minutes. And I'm cooking it on a fairly high heat, medium to high. As it's cooking, you can also shake it a bit so it doesn't stick. And you can check how it's going. You need to get color. Need to cook a bit more. Let it cook. Got 2 minutes, I reckon, maybe 3 minutes to get it done. Okay, 3 minutes is up and it's ready to turn. This is the perfect color basically. Okay, I have turned it over, and this is what it should look like before I turn it over. Then take some salt and make sure to season it well. It needs a fair amount of salt, but don't go overboard, obviously. And we need to cook it for around 2 minutes or even a bit less on medium heat. Try to reduce the heat at this moment from high to medium. Okay, 2 more minutes is up and it's pretty much ready. But as you see, it's pretty much ready on both sides. Then what we are going to do next is turn off our heat completely. So the power is off, and we are going to flip them one more time. Okay, I just flipped it, and I'm going to season with a bit more salt, as gives a lot of taste basically. Then have our power off and cover it as lid and leave it is around 4 or 5 minutes to make it more juicy and tender. It's pretty much finished cooking and we have turned off our heat. So we're just going to wait for 4 minutes. And we have absolutely gorgeous looking liver here. And the next batch will probably take you 4 minutes in total cooking time, plus 3 or 4 minutes under the lid when you already have heated up the pan for the first time. And when you are cooking liver this way, it doesn't really even taste like a liver. It's absolutely delicious, just as delicious as steak basically. And yeah, make sure you don't overcook it and keep a tight eye on the time basically. If you overcook it, they're very thin and they're easily able to overcook them. It's still very moist and juicy and tastes absolutely great. You will be getting a very moist, very tender and absolutely delicious liver full of flavor. Also make sure you are cooking with butter, as cooking it with regular oil or even olive oil, the taste just will be completely different, and it will just taste like a regular poor old liver basically. However, if you cook this way with the butter, make very thin slices and cook for fairly short amount of time, and with a lid on after that, absolutely delicious treat.